I'm Elvie.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks.
Well, unfortunately, we could do nothing with the weather, but
Oh, well,
all the
you know,
rest is under our...
We've been in
under
England
control.
for 3 months, so.
Oh, wow.
And this is my wife,
Hello,
Alice.
how are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice stripe on the steps.
Yeah, I'm starting to see pick up the striping everywhere.
Uh-huh.
Yep, that's, okay, good. That was supposed to be. So here's what happened at the Eisenman ceremony that I partook in. There was, they had all these critics, academic critics from Yale and Einstein, and I'm sitting there scratching my head. No, the physics is exactly the same today as it was before Newton. But
not possible.
and what they were trying to say was it wasn't rectangular anymore. And I says, you know, if you want a word for it.
The waves that library.
Wonderful book there.
But you know, people ask why, what kind of books.
Why? I think there's no you in here at all, is there?
Well, yeah.
Books are kept in the...
So what I'm trying to ask is what is the content of the ancient library?
Well,
what are the special
we
books
gather
that-
collections.
Oh,
So, we are meant a dimension by the material.
as it always is for architects.
Architects, they have big ideas, but then somebody has to pay for that.
Yes. So it has the fact that it's been unusual method, it's ended up having extra cost.